you want me guys to vlog? Comment down.
Of Javis Philippines.
Welcome back to my channel. We're on our way to another event for A Studios. As you can see, sobrang dami naming gamit sa kotse. Actually, kasama talaga namin dito si Renren and si Daniel Rain. Kaso, hindi na kasi kami kasya, so nag-grab na lang sila. Ang event, supposedly 5:30. Ready na yung booth. And ang arrival, ang ETA naman namin dun sa venue is 4:40. So, I think kaya naman yun. Mabilis ang kilos lang. Hindi na rin ako nakapag-vlog masyado kanina habang nag-aayos kasi nag-film din ako for my TikTok account ng content. After this, actually meron pa kami isang event na pupuntahan pero kami lang ni Ash yun. So habol na lang kami doon and I'm gonna take you guys with us sa aming day full of events. See? Dalawa lang naman ni events.
Sige po.
Can hear me, but we're finally here in Conrad. For now, we're just gonna look for the parang lobby ng hotel para makapunta na kami sa family niya.
It's blue.
Hello everyone! Hindi na ako masyado nakapag-vlog starting this morning kasi sobrang dami ko nang ginawa. Hindi ko na namalayan na ang bilis ng oras and hindi ako nakapag-vlog. So ngayon, Ash and I are going to the bank kasi meron kaming pipick upin. Grabe naman to! Meron lang kaming pipick upin and then, kaya ko lang din naman kasi siya sinama kasi yung bank na yun, hirap na hirap ako laging makahanap ng parking. Kaya sabi ko sumama na siya para at least may magbabantay ng car. And then, uuwi ako para prepare my things kasi pupunta ako ng home place tonight. And I'll be staying there until Friday. Ang dami ko na rin inaasikaso today para at least wala na akong iintindihin for the next 2 days. So yun, let's go.
Sa mags mo. Guys, yan na lang din. Yan na rin pala yung magiging record na ano. So this is a Simplus beautiful affordable price. Joke lang. The humidifier and air purifier in one. And very small lang. So you can place it anywhere. Yan na.
Can you tell them the reason why did we buy the humidifier?
Kasi very humid. Kaya kami bumili nito kasi at first, pumibili kami ng humidifier na ano. I think alam niyo yun.
Let's show it. Wala na ba? Tinapon.
Tinapon. Ito siya. Yan, ililink nila. Itsura.
Ilalagay ko yung
ilalagay niya yung photo dito. Pero we use that for the room kasi nga, diba it's rainy season, madalas yung humidity tumataas. So, anong nangyayari is, we want to prevent molds kasi meron ng mga mold build-up somewhere here. So, we want to prevent that by yun nga, capturing yung mga humidity sa air. So, bumibili kami nun, pero since umulan, parang mga 2 weeks lang puno na agad siya. And we need to dispose it. So, to save the environment as well, bumili na lang kami nito. Tapos, meron na rin siyang built-in air purifier para ma-clean din yung alikabok. Mga higop niya alikabok. Oh.
We've been waiting for this for ilan? For a month na.
Yes.
Tapos kung kailan dumating, tapos na yung bagyo.
That's
I
correct.
mean, hindi naman namin pinapanalangin na magkabagyo. Pero kung kailan hindi na humid. Tsaka dumating yung dehumidifier. Tsaka rin...
Do you want me guys to vlog? Comment down below.
Hindi, tsaka ilang beses ko na rin kasi siyang kinukulit na bumili kami ng air purifier. Kasi nga, mabilis din magka-dust dito sa room. Eh, ang gusto niya talaga dehumidifier. So, naghanap siya ng 2-in-1 na parehas kaming magiging masaya.
Medyo matagal lang siya dumating. Kasi I think 30 days yung pre-ordering. Pero hindi naman siya 30 days exactly dumating. Then, turn it on. And that's about it.
It's already 7 p.m. and it's time to watch Drag Race finale. Grabe, nakaka-excite. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, ang bagal pa ng internet.
Sabi ko sino tingin mong mananalo sa amin?
Ah! Feeling ko si Maxi, tapos nakalaman si Kiana. Kasi si Kiana, hindi ko siyang malaga. No? Ang bagal ng internet!
Drag Supernova from Marikina, who had performance like no other. Ang Forever your Filipino Galing!
Daming airtime ni Bakla.
Two queens stand behind. Prior to tonight, you were asked to prepare a lip sync performance.
Ganda ni Maxi na!
Wala, tagdag-tag na kami eh.
Airtime talaga si Bakla.
The winner of Drag Race Philippines. The Philippines' next drag superstar is Maxine.
What's that? Showing your feet? Thank you.
Sana sa kwarto. Bigyan tayo ng polis na.
Dance Lela. Oh. Good morning. So, it's my day 2 here in home place. And hindi na ako masyado nakapag-vlog kahapon kasi na-enjoy ko lang yung quality time with my family. Kaya sabi ko, ay hindi na ako mag-vlog. And hindi ko na rin masyado napansin na ang bilis ng oras, ganyan. So today, I am scheduled to do a content shoot for our resort para postings for our social media accounts. So, naka-ready na ang aking mga pamalit na damit for my shoot. Kunin ko na lang din yung ibang props ko and then, let's go!
He comes upon a picnic where he can dine.
We're weaving, we're weaving, we're weaving, 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 we're weaving, we're weaving, we're weaving, now we stop. We're cutting, we're cutting, we're cutting, 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 we're cutting, we're cutting, we're cutting, now we stop. Try twisting.
We're twisting!
We're twisting, we're twisting, we're twisting, twisting, twisting. We're twisting, we're twisting, we're twisting, now we stop.
I'm already on my way sa Harajuku and yes, mag-isa lang ako. Actually, sobrang pagod ako kanina and inaantok, pero iba pala talaga kapag alam mong kailangan mong mag-drive. So, hindi ako makatulog. Dapat magbibili ako ng coffee, kaso sabi ko, pag uwi, tsaka ako magpapahinga or tsaka ako matutulog. Kaya hindi na ako bumiling coffee and naiwan na yung family ko sa home place. I think uuwi na rin naman sila. Nauna lang ako kasi tomorrow we have an event for A Studios. And ayun. I'll see you later pag nasa Manila na ako. Most probably matutulog ako pag uwi. Magpapahinga.
And then after that, pupunta.
Can I buy na the mic?
Ano ba yun? Humidifier na.
Overnight lang. Good morning everybody. Hindi ko alam kung saan naman nag-start tong vlog na to. But we have an event today for A Studios. And Para siya sa Westin Manila, if you guys are familiar. So, I'm just gonna get ready. Actually, medyo nagmamadali na kami. Kasi, ang usapan talaga namin, 12 aalis. And it's currently 11:48 a.m. Let's see kung makakapag-makeup pa ako dito sa room or sa car. Kasi mag-blow dry pa ako ng hair. See you later. Nila dito. The best. Nakakain lang namin kapag nilipit. Time to go home. Pagod na kami. Ay, hindi naman kami pagod na pagod. OA naman ang pagod na. Kumain lang tayo. Kumain lang talaga kami doon. Nagbantay sa event. Nagbantay sa event.